by Cal State, LA.
Oh, okay. A little further down. Okay.
Yeah. And they had a big barbecue for us.
Oh.
Yeah. And I think we paid like, I want to say $45 to be in the ride, and it was, for charity.
Okay.
That's really
person?
nothing if you think. No, for one bike, two riders. It's really not a big deal. It's charity. That's not very expensive at all. To have that kind of experience where you're totally protected from, cars and potential, accidents and whatnot. But it was really a cool thing to do.
I've gone on the 405 and been lucky where the entrance that I go on, and then I look back, there's no cars. Like, what's going on? It happens so that they shut down the freeway behind me.
Traffic break.
Yeah, so I'm like, wow, you're like the only one on the freeway.
Yeah.
Until they catch up, or until you can catch up to.
Right. Is that your ride?
No. From Indiana. This is a scam.
Wow, it was late at night.
It's a scam. 100% scam.
Yeah, I can't believe how much of that goes on these days. And everybody knows it's all a scam. Yeah, they still keep doing it.
So I have this one credit card that I haven't been using for probably a good 2.5 to 3 years. I haven't been using it. All I do is I just pay it off.
Sure.
I have a balance on it, and I've pretty much paid it off, and I just left maybe like a $200 balance in there, and have a minimum payment so that they don't close the account. It's just minimum $10 or $15 payments every month. It goes to it automatically. I don't use it. I don't, it's not on me. I don't keep it on me. It's in the car, but no one gets in this car without me.
Right.
Yesterday or the day before, either yesterday morning or the day before, I wake up, I check my phone, I get a text message from, it's Capital One saying, do you recognize this charge, yes or no? So I'm looking at it, wow, it's this card, and no, I don't recognize it because I don't use this card, but it's from Facebook. It says Facebook advertisement. Like, okay, every now and then, I do Facebook ads, but I never use that card.
Right.
But I'm like, I don't know. I'm just thinking really broad. Maybe I forgot to pay it, and then I put in this credit card, and they had it on file, so they charged it.
Yeah.
I go to Facebook, I have a few accounts, and I'm checking them, nothing. I log into my credit card, there's charges of $300 from Facebook, but small charges like $20, $30, $20, $30, $50. So, and it's a bunch of them. I'm like, no, these are not me. So I call him, and then the guy is going through my account. He goes, well, it's actually, you have about $2,000 worth of authorizations.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, well, if you go back to my history of the account, you'll see I haven't, I don't even know when and where was the last time I used this card.
Yeah.
It's bizarre how they got hold of that card.
Right.
I have no idea.